If you want to cancel your GoDaddy account, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it correctly and avoid missing anything important. This is a quick but important process because once the account is closed, certain actions cannot be undone. So before you begin, make sure you really want to move forward, and if you have any domains, products, or services you want to keep, double check them first. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Now let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. You'll need access to the main account that you want to close, so use the correct login details and make sure you're signed into the right profile. Once you're inside your GoDaddy dashboard, look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. This is where GoDaddy keeps your account-related settings and preferences. After clicking the profile icon, select Account Settings from the menu. This will open the area where you can manage your account details, preferences, and privacy-related options. From here, look at the sidebar on the left and click Contact Preferences. This section is important because GoDaddy places the account closure option under the Privacy and Account Management area. Next, go to the Privacy section. In this area, you should see the option related to closing your account. Click Account, and GoDaddy will show you information about what happens when you close the account. Take a moment to read this carefully. This step matters because GoDaddy wants to make sure you understand the consequences before continuing. You'll then need to confirm that you understand what happens when the account is closed. Look for the checkbox that says, "I understand this action cannot be undone." Check that box only after you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to proceed. This is the final confirmation step, and it's there to prevent accidental account closure. Once the checkbox is selected, click Close Account. GoDaddy will process the request and begin closing the account based on the confirmation you provided. If there are any final prompts or warnings, review them carefully before you finish. After that, your GoDaddy account cancellation request should be complete. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel a GoDaddy account step by step. Just remember to make sure there are no important products, domains, or settings you still need before closing the account, because this action cannot be undone. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.